Hi teachers, welcome to your Imagine Learning orientation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Imagine Learning as a student, as a teacher, and as an administrator. I'm going to begin on the Technology Sherpa, and I'm going to go to Staff Resources here from our webpage, and then, of course, I'm going to click on the Technology Sherpa. Now, if you haven't bookmarked the Sherpa already while you're in Chrome, now would be a great time to do that. You simply click on the web address URL and then you drag it here to create a bookmark. You can see I have several bookmarks here already, one of which is the Technology Sherpa. Now, Imagine Learning is specific to our school, so instead of the general section, you want to scroll down till you find Columbia, and then you want to click on Imagine Learning. Here's a document, just a quick overview, and I really invite you to browse and just look to see for yourself the information that's here. You'll notice that the web address login is already there to cut and paste while you're in Explorer. Again, information about student access, teacher access, and then you scroll down here further, how to access as an administrator, making groups, and then moving on here, home access for students, and then Imagine Learning on mobile devices. And even there's also technical support and a number to call there. So there's a lot of information here in the Technology Sherpa, and I really encourage you to check all that out. Well, we're going to be focusing on these three things: the student access, teacher access, and administrative access. So let's begin with teacher access. We'll start there. Okay, it says here that you should have received an email. I don't believe that everyone had, but that's no problem. What you'll need to do is establish your password. So it says directions here. You basically go to the web address at the top, and then you want to use the Forgot Password link. So here, again, I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to open up Explorer down here, and then I'm going to paste it in, and that'll bring me to the login page. You want to use the Forgot Password link, enter in your email, it's your school email, and then send email. Then you simply open up your Outlook and there'll be directions for how to establish your password. Pretty standard stuff. So now I'm back here on the Sherpa, and now I want to cover student access. Just as you can see here, there's two main methods. There's a desktop shortcut on all the student laptops. You can also go to the Startup button, select All Programs, and type in Imagine Learning and find it that way. Now, as far as username and passwords go, the student, their username is going to be their 7-digit number, just like they would log into a laptop. Now, the passwords are currently set to be their first name with a capital letter. However, for best practices, we don't want students to remember a lot of different passwords. We just want them to remember as few as we can, assign them, ideally just one. One laptop one password for the laptop, one password for Blackboard, one password for Imagine Learning, and so on. And we don't really want students using a capital letter for their password until they get to 4th grade. So with our younger students, we want to have their password for Imagine Learning match their password for the laptop. And a lot of them have spent some time logging into the laptop already, so this should be a smooth transition. Now, this password is assigned by the classroom teacher, and what I want to do right now is show you how to do that. And you can set student passwords by logging in as an administrator. So if you scroll down here, you'll see the Administrative Access section, and you can see the username and password. And what I'm going to do right now is go back to the login page and log in using those credentials. So here I am in Explorer. I've already entered in username for admin, and the password is Imagine Learning, all one word, no spaces. So here I'm logged in as an administrator, and I want to go to the Management tab to set the student passwords. Okay, and then Angela, with your permission, I'm going to use your name. I don't hear Angela objecting, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it. All right, so I'm double-click her name, and then in the staff section we see Karen, who has set up the students and entered their names in. And now we're going to go to the Students tab to find the students in Angela's class that are currently have Imagine Learning accounts. I'm going to click the first one here, and I'm going to go over to the right. Here you can see her username, and her password is her first name. So we're going to go in and change that by clicking the Details button here, the letter I. Okay, as we scroll down, we can see all the information here, and we're able to, if we scroll down even further, to edit any of this information. So I'm going to click Edit, and I'm going to go over to Password, and then I'm going to enter in her laptop password, and then click Save. Okay, so now when this student logs in, they're going to log in using their username and then their laptop password, just like they would for the laptop. So hopefully this will make logging into Imagine Learning a smooth process, since the students already have some practice logging into the laptop successfully already. So teachers, your homework assignment is now to go in and log in. First, set your password for Imagine Learning for your teacher account. Then go into Management as you log in as an administrator, and then find your students and then set their passwords to match their laptop passwords. From there, your students will be able to enjoy the benefits and the resources that are in Imagine Learning, so they can go ahead and get started. If you have any further questions about Imagine Learning or anything covered in this video, you can access, obviously, the Imagine Learning section on the Technology Sherpa, and then as soon as I'm done with this video, I will post the video on this resource as well. You can always ask myself, Dee Dee, or Karen if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.